Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to block ads on your Android device without installing any extra apps. It's all using Private DNS. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone at the top. Tap on the search bar and type in Private DNS. From the search results, select the option labeled Private DNS or Private DNS Settings. The name might vary depending on your device brand. Now, once you're inside, you'll see a screen that says, Select Private DNS Mode. Tap on Private DNS Provider, HOSTNAME, in the field that appears. Type this exactly, dns.adguard.com. This is AdGuard's private DNS and it's free to use. It blocks most ads across apps and browsers, all without needing root or any ad blocker. Once that's done, tap Save. Wait a few seconds. Your device will now connect to this new DNS server. That's it. You're good to go. You can now reopen your apps, visit websites, or browse around. And you'll notice a lot fewer ads showing up, especially in games, browsers, and news apps. If this video helped you, drop a like, share it with someone who's tired of annoying pop-ups, and subscribe for more useful Android tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.